Hey everyone, welcome back to Verified Gains. So, a lot of things have been going on the past 24 hours, so let me make a quick 5-minute video talking about what's going on. And I'm going to try to make my best argument as to why we're seeing the price movements that we've been seeing over the past 12 to 24 hours. So yesterday, I admit, the whole crypto community, me included, were very excited about the news in which the US president announced the US crypto strategic reserve. And I think the whole community, took that as a very, very bullish news. And as you can see over here, we had a plus 9.5% move to the upside. Okay. Then what happened? Immediately after that, we start forming this huge red candle, negative 8.5%, back to the downside, back to where we began pre-strategic reserve news. Guys, this is exactly what I'm talking about in terms of crypto volatility. I mean, are you guys entertained? Don't stress out. I mean, this is what we expect to see once we start seeing, wild volatility, greater price movements to the upside than to the downside. It's going to be a wild ride. So you need to stay patient. You need to this is not financial advice, but dollar cost averaging is very important. Okay. And it's, most of all, it's important to stay collected and calm. Okay, so what do I think is happening? Well, so number one, I mean, people definitely took the news yesterday as something positive. So why is everything selling off immediately after? Well, let me just, you know, first say that it's not just crypto, it's the traditional equities market that is also selling off. A lot of things are going on with the tariff war. There's a lot of political things happening right now that we cannot exactly pinpoint. And that's why we like to invest off of technical analysis, not the macroeconomic news, what have you, because it's very, very difficult to do that. And they don't always explain everything. If I had to, however, consider some other important things that are coming up, look at this. March 7th, so this Friday. Number one, we have the Fed Chair Powell speech coming up. We have the unemployment rate news coming up. And very importantly, the US president is going to host the first White House crypto summit on the same day. So, what are the chances that people are simply staying on the sidelines? They're erring on the side of caution, and they're trying to gather as much information as possible before they fully invest. So I think that's what's going on. So people are probably taking a little profit over here, mostly traders, by the way, and they're going to wait until this Friday, most likely, to get back into the market. So that is my prediction. From a technical perspective, like I said yesterday, you have to see consolidation over these resistance lines before I can switch them back into a support line. However, when we do look at the 111-day moving average, there's no doubt that we're in an oversold territory. Okay, so don't expect the prices to linger over here because we're definitely overselling. And by this Friday and by next week, my hope is that we bounce above this, which would be around $97,000. And afterwards, we'll, remain above the 111-day moving average and hopefully towards the green line, which is 350-day moving average times 2. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and thanks for listening in. Bye-bye.